Hey Tree Stuff, I'm Matt, and today I'm reviewing the Samson BRW. The BRW is what I use for my secondary, for my safety lanyard. It is a 16-strand climbing, 16-strand double-braided rope. Can't tell you the strength offhand, but I like it. It looks nice, and here's the cool thing. I ordered a single sonai. I got 2 sonais from Tree Stuff. I don't know why, but I'm not gonna complain. It's a great secondary. I haven't had any problems with it. I can't tell you much about it for using it as a climbing line because I've never had that. I've never done that. But as a secondary, it's what, 99 cents a foot? That's pretty good. It's a great secondary. I wholly recommend it. And I think looks like I got this spliced by Rope Logic. But thanks again to Tree Stuff for one free splice. That's my review on the Samson BRW.